Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you all are doing well and you all are safe. We're gonna come out of it together and stronger. Trust me. Till then, please hold on and just take care of yourself, your family members and your mental health. Sending you all lots of love, healing and power to face whatever you are going through, and you're gonna come out of it soon, so just hold on. And by the title, you know we're gonna talk about grooming. And trust me girl, if you are under quarantine or not, if you're going out or not, grooming is really important. And so I thought of making a video on grooming. I know कुछ tips इसमें से ऐसी होंगी कि which you are already following, but count me in. We are a lazy girls. और क्वारंटीन में तो ऐसा होता है कि हम लोग को feel like taking care of ourselves, but it's really important. It's good for our mental health और हमें खुद को भी अच्छा लगता है when we look good. Most of you are doing work from home and you have to attend Zoom call meetings or video conferences. So it is really important to take care of yourself, to groom yourself. And trust me, when you inculcate these habits in your daily routine, you're gonna see the difference in your personality. So with that, let me start with the tips and tricks. Always smell good. Yes guys, I believe it is the biggest turn off for most of the people when you are smelling stinky, or वो जो sweat की smell होती है, it feels really ugly sometimes. And if you are at home or if you're going out, take care of your underarms. जब भी आप बात करके आते हैं, just you can use roll-ons which are alcohol free, or you can use deodorants, or you can use perfume. You should try this trick. जब भी आप बाहर आए बात से, just try put some deodorant on and you're gonna feel so much difference. आपके मूड में ही you will feel very upliftment. And यहाँ पे wrist पे you can use ears के पीछे and on some neck, and you are good to go. And just you will feel difference, trust me. Also, if you are not a perfume deodorant kind of a person, so what you can do is, what I do is मैं बहुत कम पानी पीती थी, and I really feel कि it will make a difference if you will consume more water. जो भी toxins हैं, it will go away from your body. So just try to drink more water. Also, what you can do is, just put some lemon under your underarms, and I think you're gonna see the visible difference in sweat की जो smell होती है, it will fade away with time. Next thing is scrub your lips. I know you're gonna say कि इससे क्या होगा, how will it make a difference, but trust me, when you will do, आपको खुद को लगेगा that your chapped lips are gone away. What you can do is, while you are brushing, after that you can just use कोई भी आपकी brush है, उसको you just brush your lips, and trust me, you're gonna see a difference. And do it once in a month, once in a week or twice in a week as you feel like, and you say just no to chapped lips. After that, your lip shades, your lip balms will glide so much easily like a butter. And I haven't used any lip scrubs or anything for now, chemical lip scrubs, but yeah, I have used this trick and I was like, it is amazing and it is very sustainable. So the next thing is exfoliate your body. It is really important for if you have ingrown hair issues, and obviously we are under quarantine and lockdown, parlors band hai, and you're gonna shave your body, so it is a very important step before shaving also. And जो आपकी ingrown hair and strawberry legs की problem है, trust me, वो काफ़ी हद तक solve हो जाएगी, because I have tried myself. Exfoliate once in a week or once in 2 weeks. You can use a loofah with body washes. It is also a scrub which you can do regularly. मतलब I use regularly only on daily basis. So वो भी एक बहुत अच्छा idea है to exfoliate your body. जो डेड सेल्स हैं उनको रिमूव कर देता है, एंड योर बॉडी बिकम लिटरली सो मच सॉफ्ट. It's important to take care of your nails because untrimmed and chipped nail paints बहुत ही अगली लगती हैं. And also take care कि आप जो nail paint अपने fingers पे लगा रहे हैं वही आप अपने toes पे लगाएं. Earlier in my childhood I used to do this experiment and बहुत ही funny लगता था, but yeah, I used to do it. सो या इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर नेल्स एंड जस्ट ट्रिम आफ्टर. आप जब शावर से आते हैं आपके नेल बहुत ही सॉफ्ट एंड डेलिकेट होते हैं, जस्ट ट्रिम एट दैट टाइम एंड जस्ट फाइल देम. इट्स important to take care of your nails. Now moisturize your whole body and not just your face. It is important because पहले मैं I used to do this. I used to just moisturize my face and leave for the work, but now I take my time. After my bath I just moisturize my whole body, and trust me, I have seen a visible difference because my body has become more hydrated. It looks more hydrated, and yeah, it will make a difference after you will just inculcate in your daily routine. Just moisturize it daily. Also what I do is whenever I just wash my hands, I just always just go and moisturize. इससे just my hands will don't, जो white lines बन जाती है, wrinkles आ जाते हैं, वो नहीं होता है. So do that also. नेक्स्ट थिंग मैं जिसके बारे में बात करने जा रही हूँ, मैंने बहुत लेट डिस्कवर करी अपनी लाइफ के अंदर, एंड या दैट इज़ यूजिंग पैंटी लाइनर्स इन योर बिफोर योर पीरियड्स, बिकॉज वाइट डिस्चार्ज होता है एंड आई नो द फीलिंग इज़ रियली ग्रोस एंड स्मेल भी आती रहती है. सो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट यू यूज़ पैंटी लाइनर्स एंड कुछ इस तरह से दिखते हैं, स्मॉल वर्जन ऑफ पैड्स. So it's important to use panty liners before your period days, and trust me, आप बहुत ही सेफ महसूस करेंगे after using it, because कभी भी emergency हो सकती है, and you will gonna just enjoy your days when you are using it, and you will feel safe also. So it's important to use panty liners. You can easily get these from Amazon or Nykaa, and मैंने जब use किया था I was so relieved and thankful, so I thought of sharing with you guys. These are the few things which I believe made a visible difference in my life, in my personality. So I thought of sharing with you guys. This is the perfect time to inculcate these habits in your daily routine, because we have time for now. So it would be a good idea. So मैंने सोचा कि एक वीडियो बनाते हैं इस पे. So I hope आपको कुछ information मिली हो which is helpful for you girls out there. And see you guys next time. Comment down below अगर ऐसी कोई और grooming tip you believe कि important है और होनी चाहिए हमारी daily routine में. So comment down below that. Also tell me कि आप लोग किस और चीज़ों पे videos देखना चाहते हैं. Comment down that also, and make sure you subscribe if you are interested in these kind of topics, and share with your other girls also. So see you guys next time. Bye bye.